Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Chrome Sync is paused. So the Chrome Sync is paused usually happens due to account sign out, cookies issue, or browser settings. And through this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. As you guys can see here, this is my Google account, but then the Sync is paused on my Chrome. So the first step that you need to do, that you can do to fix it, is you can just re-sign in into your Google account. You can just click on your profile in here, and then if you see here Sync is paused, you can just click on this sign in again, and then you can just enter your Google credentials to re-enable Sync. Here, just fill in your email and also password. Tap on next. And just like that, now you are successfully signed in again, and the Sync is back on. And after that, you can try to enable the Sync. You can, after sign in, you can just go to the three dots and go to settings. In here, tap on the You and Google, and you can see this is the Sync. And you can just ensure that the Sync is on. You can customize the Sync setting if needed by clicking on the Manage Your or Sync and Google service. You can see Sync is on now, so don't click this turn off. And next, you can allow cookies in Chrome. So cookies are required to keep your account signed in. You can again click on the settings in here, go to the privacy and security, and find the options of cookies and other site data. And in here, you just need to select all cookies or block third-party cookies in incognito. So ensure click cookies and site data when you close or Windows is off. And you can turn off extension that clear cookies because certain extensions such as privacy or cookie managers may clear cookies, so it may be post your Chrome Sync. You can just click on this three dots icon and find more tools, and in here click on extensions, or you can just go to the extension in here, and you can just disable or remove extension like cookie cleaners or privacy enhancer. You can also check your Google account permission because sometimes Google permissions for Chrome Sync may be restricted. And you need to disable the auto sign out. Just open the settings and navigate to the privacy security again and go to the site settings. And in here, you can just find this third-party cookies and make sure that the clear cookies and site data when you close window is turned off. And you can also reset Chrome settings to its default settings. You can try it to go to the reset settings in here. You can just restore settings to their original defaults. And don't forget to update your Chrome so that you have the latest versions of it. And you can also try to test on another device, sign into your Google account on a different device or browser to see if the issue is specific to current setup. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.